Instantly, as soon as it hit the water. Are you serious?
I'm at a lake that's full of trout. I'm pretty sure it's all just rainbows. There's a little like pond or small lake over there that has brook trout in it, I'm fairly certain. I haven't been to this lake since I was 5 or 7. So, yeah. There are like a bunch of little minnows over there, baby trout. So, there are trout in here. Just gotta catch them. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm not seeing any trout right here. If I go over more towards the deep rocks over there, it will be a lot more trout. But while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and do a couple of casts. We have an ultralight with a little Euro tackle swimming thing on it. Oh, look at that. There's an owl pellet, I think. Maybe it's an owl pellet, maybe it's something else that's worse, I don't know. It's a little bit deeper over here, less rocks. More of like a silt bottom or sand, which is what I like. I'm gonna walk over there though, where that point is at. There'll be some fish on that for sure. Trout love rocky points, so. Trout and bass, but there's no bass in here, sadly. Yeah, we're getting to deeper water, which is what I like. Let that sink for a second. Oh, one's following me. I see him. That was a good one. That would have been a good eater. Oh, I see another one. He's beelining for it. Oh, he's wary of it. He's a smart fish. Okay, there's a lot of them there. Let's do the drop shot because it's proven itself time and time again. I'll take it now with this because I'm more confident with it than I am with the other one. Fish were a ways from the bottom, so that's why I have such a long drop shot leader here, because the fish are not going to be sitting on the bottom. Ah, it's a nice cast. We'd always put on some power bait, chuck it out there, but that's kind of boring. I see a dead trout out there. Oh, I had one. Got one. We got one. Oh. Okay, he's really skinny. I don't know if we should eat this guy or if we should let him go. Gotta let the first fish of the day go. I know we're gonna catch more, so you gotta let the first one of the day go. That didn't take too long. It took a slower retrieve. I was just barely jumping it across the bottom. See, if I had my fly rod, I would have been able to catch that fish right there. Oh, he sees my drop shot, I think. Oh, I just pulled it away from him. Quick, quick, quick. Oh. This is an aggressive. He ate it and he's coming back for it again. Okay, he spooked off that time. 2 rods, a net, and a fly rod. Now let's go check out this little place over here. I've never caught a brook trout. All I've ever caught are rainbows and 1 cutthroat. This looks like a brook trout pond. That's a rainbow. That's a rainbow. I need my net. All right. I don't know if much people wet their hands here, but we're gonna wet our hands. I'm seeing little fish. I'm wondering. This is a stocked guy. He was stocked, but I'm wondering if there are brook trout in here. So we're gonna keep fishing until we hopefully catch one. All right, buddy. Thank you. I'm not gonna eat you right now. Don't need to. This is probably gonna be pretty easy fishing here because they're in a pond. Another one already. Looks like it's another rainbow. There's one following him trying to eat the weight. That's funny. I need to get a fly in here ASAP. No, I haven't unhooked you yet. Man, this is easy fishing here. If I really wanted to... This guy's strong. Whoa. Jeez. So we've caught, what, 3, 2? Noticing that there's like balls of bait in here and the fish are eating them. So I'm gonna cast this That was quick. Didn't have time to explain myself. Pretty little rainbow again. Okay, okay, that was a fish right there. Let's get the fly rod set up. I want to catch one on the fly. This is a mess. Oh, wow. Perfect. Got him. Is it a bow? He's just jumping so gracefully. What did I do with the net? Oh, I dropped it way over here. Of course I did. Snagged him in the side, it looks like. With the bottom one. I think he ate the top one and I got him with the bottom one because he missed the top one. Okay. Okay, now you can go. Goodness gracious, man. There's one. It's a little guy. Oh, there he goes. Gotcha. He came off again. Gotcha. So the dry fly I have on here is this one. It's got like a big white tuft on it so I can see it. The bottom one, I have no name. I have no idea what these names are though, by the way. Then I got this little tiny guy in here. That guy ate the tiny one. You can get it like on the other side of the log where the little white fly is right now. You tend to get bit. If you're on this side, you still have a chance of getting bit, but it seems like it's not as good. So like here, I can just get a nice cast right there. Instant, almost instant. Oh, that's a good one. Good, or he's fighting good, one of the two. Dry fly, baby. Dry fly. Oh, hello. Oh. Don't get stuck on them logs. I like to keep the flies on I have on right now, okay? Another one, guys. This one's beautiful. Look at that. I guess you guys can't really see. Whoa. Look how beautiful that fish is. It's gorgeous. Hands aren't wet. He'll be fine. He'll be plenty fine. After the battery died, I fished for probably about another 30 minutes. Didn't catch anything else in the fly. That's a pretty one. It's a feisty one. Whoa, that fish just shot off from the grass. I wonder if that was a brook trout. Okay, buddy. There he goes.
Really small guys. Oh, came back and ate it. Tons of these little dudes over here. Oh. Some of these might be wild, I'm not sure. I'm gonna grab the net. I'm just gonna use the net. Yes, I know it's shocking. Yes, look at this. Oh yeah. This is nice. Instantly, as soon as it hit the water. Are you serious? Oh, sorry, bud. Whoa, 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 whoa. The one I just caught literally just followed me already. Oh, I have one. Oh, he's miniature. I guess he wasn't too miniature and he's gone now, so. Oh, that moth is gone. Thank you.